Now let us see their reaction with halogens. All these elements combines with halogens vigorously and forms their corresponding halides. Now all of these combines with halogens form halides which are actually ionic in nature. The only difference is in case of lithium, that lithium, if I say lithium fluoride, lithium chloride, lithium bromide, lithium iodide, out of these what we find is that the covalent character, this is increasing covalent character. The covalent character increases as the size or the atomic number of the halogen increases. The reason being because its polarizability increases with the size. And why we say that it is the lithium halides are covalent, actually are having a covalent character. The reason being, smaller is the cation as per the Fazan's rule, more is the its polarizing power, and that is why the lithium halides are found to be having a covalent character, and that too in this increasing order. Otherwise, rest all of these halides are ionic in nature. They are crystalline substance, crystalline solids, and that is what they are actually existing in the form of the salts. So this is what we have, the reactions or reactivity with halogens.